In today's YouTube video, I will be trying on wigs from TEMU. Hallelujah. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored, but maybe one day. This is the lump of baggage we have with us today. I think I ordered 5 wigs. I think in total I spent $70, including shipping and tax. I don't think I bought a wig over $20. I'm gonna try on each of these wigs. I'm gonna rate them 1 through 10. Girl, where you going? God. Oh, yes, all right. That wasn't as cool as I thought it would. The first wig I bought is a all black wavy wig. This is what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully it meets those expectations. If it doesn't, that's okay, because I think I only spent like $11. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh. The only thing I'm scared about is that there's no like lace. The hairline might be a little straight. I don't know if I can pluck it to save it. I think that the hairline is just gonna be extremely straight and it's gonna look fake. Where you going? My hair is put into place. I get so many comments on my forehead on my Twitch. And y'all say that I have a huge forehead and I'm starting to believe it. 1, 2, 3, 4. These curls are just not it. I don't know how good the other ones are gonna be, but I think we're starting off not strong at all. I'm gonna give this wig a 4 out of 10. Bruh. I think that it has potential. I think I just need to mess around with it, make it kind of look good. These curls are just really separated, and I even brushed it, and they're not coming together. So I don't know what's wrong with that. When I put it in a ponytail, it kind of looks good. Am I right?
No.
The next one we have is this purple wig. Okay, Mrs. Purple has bangs. I forgot that this one had bangs. Oh, she's pretty. I feel like the curls are bigger and more separated than the last hair. Why do the bangs always come so freaking long? I don't get it. Okay. Wait. Immediate thoughts on the wig. I freaking think it's adorable. Here's the back. Oh my god. I don't want to label this wig like absolutely perfect. I think it is really good. It's really soft. It looks great. I rate this wig an 8.5 out of 10. I think this one is just so cute. What the fuck is going on? It's fitting good on my head too. What? What? No. I was totally expecting for this wig to fly off my head, but it didn't. This thing is hanging on. I have high hopes for this green one because I actually do really want to use this green one for a couple cosplays. No. Bruh. I don't think it looks absolutely horrible, but it's not the vibe that I was going for when choosing this wig or buying this wig. I'm definitely gonna have to get a different lime green wig for this cosplay that I want to do, but it's not like horrible. I just don't see myself wearing it. I look like a witch. Oh. Hello? Okay, I give this one a 5 out of 10. I still think that this one's better than the black one. The black one was really bad. The curls aren't bad. It's just not my style. It's not my cup of tea. 5 out of 10. Okay, next we have this pink one. I'm a little concerned. This one is really shiny. I might need to add some baby powder to it. The part looks pretty decent, and it also has lace. and baby hairs. So I have high hopes for this one. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get y'all a close up on these baby hairs. I do think this wig has major potential. The only thing about this wig is it's making me lightheaded. It smells like doctor's glove. Dude, what did they put in this wig? Poisoning? Honestly, I really do like this wig. I like that it comes with baby hairs. I like that it comes with lace. I think it has really a lot of potential. It's not bad. I rate this one a 7 out of 10. I still think the purple one is my favorite, hands down, but this one's not bad, dude. But I'm gonna take it off because it's scaring me. I felt like I was about to die in this one. It just smells like the doctor's office. Okay, this is the last one. I'm having high hopes for this one too. This is a regular schmegular blonde wig. This is what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully it looks like that. Okay, this one doesn't smell weird. Ooh, okay. Dude, what? What is wrong with these freaking long bangs? Okay, this wig is not bad at all. It's just the bangs are just extremely long. I probably will give this one a 7.5 out of 10. I don't think it's anywhere near the purple one, but it's not the worst one we've seen today, if I'm being completely honest. All of these wigs just need work to be done. I think that I need to cut the bangs, pluck the middle part. The purple one is by far my favorite. The wigs are decent. I mean, all I'm gonna use them for is cosplays, so I think they're gonna do their job and do what they need to do. So if you are just getting into cosplaying and you just want an easy, cheap option, I think TEMU is the way to go. Okay, goodbye.